Hello everyone, it's Casey, the Vintage Collecting Lady, and today we have a very special unboxing. This was something I purchased on one of the live sales that we've all been enjoying here lately, and this one was from Dees, and she is, I think hers is the Thrill of the Thrift. Super nice lady, just absolutely. I really like Dee. We exchanged a few emails when I bought this, and she's just a nice lady, really nice lady. And all right, let's get started. Let's see what I got from the vintage live sale that Dee had, and her channel name is Thrill of the Thrift. All right. We'll show the box. I'm really excited that this came. And I do have one of these gloves on because my poor hands, from all the hand washing and everything, it is just so chapped and cracked and everything, and I'm trying to kind of protect it so it don't have to be washed as much, and actually give my my really good creams and lotion like a chance to work. So, all right, let's get this box opened and see what we got. Oh, I like that. She put Vintage Collecting Lady on there under my name. Thank you, Dee. That's cool. All right. So we open the box. Looks like it's packaged excellent. Good job, Dee. We got packing peanuts. We got packing peanuts going on here. Looks like plenty of bubble wrap. I bet this is one piece of it. Yeah, I'm excited for this one. I'm real excited about it. But it was really easy to get off of there. Thank you, Dee, for not using a lot of tape. You know, sometimes tape takes us a really long time to get in there, but oh, I'm excited about this one. Sorry guys about the noise. Don't want to tear it. I do try to reuse everything. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope everyone's hanging in there, and my state hasn't opened back up yet. It has allowed some people to go back to work. I live in Virginia, but stay-at-home orders are still effective until June. So, all right, I think I'm gonna just set this right here while I open the other part, so we'll have them both together when I show it to you guys. Hope you don't mind waiting for a second. There's been a lot of talk about a lot of sports starting back up. I'm sure a lot of people are excited about that. There's a lot of sports fans out there. I think in the beginning they're not going to have any fans in the stands and stuff. I'm not sure how I feel about all this. I know people need to work because, goodness, they have to make a living, you know. I don't know. It seems like everyone shut down in the beginning when there wasn't many cases. And I'll just do it for instance with my state. Virginia closed the state when there were less than 1,000 cases. There was like, you know, way under 1,000. And now that we're up to 33,000, maybe more than that by today, it's opening back up. It doesn't make sense to me. I don't know. I don't claim to know everything or... All right, folks. Are we ready? And here we are. It is Blendo, a orange, Cruet. And my camera is really not showing this color nicely. It's not that blood orange that's showing up on camera. It is a much lighter orange. I just can't get it to show. It's not going to show it right. With this little stopper, and you can see the gold on it. Maybe I should turn it this way. Yeah, it's showing it a little bit better there. Not tremendously much better, but thank you, Dee. This is so cool. This is actually my very first piece of Blendo. And I've been wanting to collect it for a while. And I've never found it out in the wild. Never. And I just, I kept meaning to buy some off eBay and everything. And I don't know, it just seemed like I couldn't find really good pieces. And everything was so faded. Things like that, that I just hadn't found a good piece to buy. And then Dee was having her live sale, and I happened to be on there, and this is what she was showing, and I was like, oh, I gotta get that, I gotta get that. So I was the first one to put the number in for this one. And honestly, I don't even remember how much I paid for it. It wasn't that much. Let's see. I don't know. That's bad, but I really don't know. It's been a little while. Isn't it so cute? Blendo. I like it. I like it a lot. I'm gonna put it over there in my windowsill. I am super excited about it. If you guys don't know who Dee is and you haven't checked out her channel, check her out. She's really cool and she has some really good videos. Name of her channel is The Thrill of the Thrift. And her name is, I think, Deidre, and they call her Dee. She's just really, she's a New York lady and she is super nice. And just wanted to give you a shout out, Dee. Thank you so much for having an awesome sale where we all can get on there and have some fun. Trying to compete to see who gets it and who gets all the good merchandise, and just having a good time, you know. It was a really fun sale, and thank you to Miss D for the wonderful packaging, and it arrived in perfect condition. And I'm really happy with the piece, so thank you, Dee. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. We have Memorial Day coming up, and all you guys stay safe and try to have a good weekend. If you have any plans and everything, stay safe as always. And we will see you guys on the next one. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. We have many more very exciting and interesting, cool vintage videos to come. And as always, thank you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great one. Bye-bye.